Hey, what's up, man? Today, I'm gonna show y'all a day in the life, tinting the 2020 Dodge Challenger 392 Hemi. Right now, I'm just cutting out the templates, getting them on the wall, lining them up on the windows, getting them ready to be shrunk. Using a 5% ceramic all the way around on this one. It should be pretty good, man. So what I'm doing now is just prepping the car, lining them up. Gonna prep my back window using a dry sheet, water and soap. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start shrinking. Now I usually shrink on about 850 degrees, somewhere between there and 900 degrees. I ain't gonna show y'all the whole shrinking process. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little speed on it so y'all can just get the gist of it. I usually shrink twice each window. I start on my driver's side, then I go to my passenger side so I can go ahead and install from my passenger side. I always start with the passenger side just in case I have any problems. I don't want to have those problems on the driver's side if I can help it. This is a frameless window, so just make sure your windows are tricked. Remove all the trash from the whole window. And just go ahead, squeegee all that water out and get it installed, wipe it down, and you done. Boom. Now I'm gonna go to my quarter. Same thing, make sure your seats up, spray it down, move all the trash, clean that window, get in the back, line it up, squeegee all the water out, boom. Now when you're doing this, the most hardest thing about it is just being uncomfortable in the car. As you can see, I'm kind of sitting in a weird position. Make sure you wipe it down. Same thing for the other side, so I'm not gonna do the driver's side, but it's the same type of install, you know what I mean? Remove the trash. Now I'm just gonna set up my back window to get shrunk. I let that dry shrink dry a little bit, and now I'm shrinking the back window. Like I said, I usually shrink at about 850 to 900 degrees. So that's what I'm doing here. It's a pretty easy, small window. As soon as I finish shrinking, I'm just gonna jump right in the back, wet my window up with some soap and water, same thing, remove all the trash, jump in. I maybe should have rolled this in, but you know, I bottom loaded it, so it was pretty smooth, you know. I actually didn't even have any fingers, so I just squeegeed all the water out, and I used my gray Easy Reach to go along the black rubber gasket they have in the bottom of these windows, and just took the water out, wiped it down, and this 2020 challenge is done, man.
And they hate it now that you have it. Got my money up, money right, niggas can't tell me nothing. Got my money up, money right, niggas can't tell me nothing. Got my money up, money right, niggas can't tell me nothing. Got my money up.